Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to see the Gantt representation, the pictorial representation of the project inside Workstatus. For that, click on the project section from the left menu and then come up to the project, search the project that you wish to see the Gantt representation of. Click on the 5 more option and select Gantt. Here, you will be able to see the member name and the list of the tasks which have been assigned to them. You will be able to see that each task has their own specific start date and end date. The colors of the representation of the bar depends upon the status of the task, which is red, which has you been set as reopen, or maybe green, which is ready for deployment or yet to start. That can be managed from the project settings. In this, you will be able to filter out all the details by the keywords, by the member name created by. Again, in this, you will be able to see the data with respect to the days, weeks, monthly, quarterly. For that, scroll to the left and you will be able to see the monthly data. Similarly, you will be able to see the quarterly data and you will be able to filter out the data with respect to the years as well. Now, if you wish to add a task to the specific month or the specific date, let's go back to the day section. Click on to add a new task on a specific date. Click on the plus button, create a task. Dummy task 2 is the name and the start date has been taken as 8th of January because we are making it under the 8th of January section. Click on save. Now this task is assigned to the user to have increase in its end date. Double click on the task, expand it. Now we have expanded it till 15th of January. To view the task, click on this. You'll be able to view all the details. You'll be able to assign the user from here also, or you can assign to some other member and you can do the description here as well. So this is how we'll be able to see the pictorial representation of the task inside the Workstatus projects. Thank you.